Hey guys, welcome back to the channel EduCool Zone, and today we are going to learn all about introduction to C tokens. Let's get started. So what is C tokens? Well, C token is the smallest individual unit in C programming language. So what does that even mean? So if we take an example of biology, the smallest individual unit of any biological thing is cell. In the same way, C tokens is the smallest individual unit of our C programming language. We use this C token to construct the program. Without C tokens, there is nothing. Okay, so basically this C token is a foundation for the C programming. There are 6 types of token. They are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbol, and operators. So in this video, we are going to cover all about keywords. Keywords in C language. What is keywords? Keyword is a word that have special meaning. In C language, there are particular words which have a special meaning and their meaning is fixed. We cannot change it. So for example, if I have to store an integer value in a variable, I have to use a keyword known as int. By using that keyword, I can store an integer in a variable. So each keyword has a particular functionality which is assigned. It is default. We cannot change that manually. So there are 32 keywords in C language. It is used by the compiler for its own purpose. As I said, each keyword's functionality differs and the functionality cannot be changed. So things to remember in keywords. The keyword cannot be changed in C language, as I said. The keyword must be written in lowercase. The letters have to be in lowercase while writing the keywords, and the keywords cannot be used as a variable name. So what is variable name? Variable name is one of the C tokens known as identifiers. We as the programmer gets to choose the identifier name. So we cannot keep the identifier as a keyword because it leads to conflicts. There will be confusion to the compiler to identify is it a variable name or a keyword. So we shouldn't keep the variable name as keywords. So these are some examples of keywords which are char, which is used to store character. While, it is one of the looping statements. Return, if and el, which is also a conditional statement. Double and float, it is data type. For, looping statement. So these are the examples for keywords. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click on like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.